Hey guys, today I will show you how you can download this amazing app known as Terrarium TV, from which you can watch your favorite Hollywood TV shows and movies. So let's begin. So guys, to download this app, first of all go to Google Chrome, then on the search box type Terrarium TV. Now click the first website which shows Terrarium TV 1.9.9 for Android, which is the current latest version for this application. So select the latest version and now click on download. And then you will see the download has started. Now when your APK download has finished, go to your phone files, applications, apps, and go to the Terrarium TV APK. Now click next and install. And as soon as that is done, click on the app itself and wait for its opening. Now copy the steps which I do and click on the same buttons which I do right here in front of you, and then in no time you will see your favorite Hollywood TV shows and movies in front of you. And there you go. So these are most of the popular TV shows like The Flash, Arrow, The Big Bang Theory, Marvel's Shield, and also when you click on the top you will find the Netflix list, Amazon Prime Video list, YouTube Red list, and also by clicking the top left hammer you will find the movies options, where you will almost find any of the movies. And also if you're a Marvel's fan, then this is all for you, because this app has almost all the Marvel movies ever released. Like you can see the Avengers Infinity Wars released right now, Thor, Rampage, Guardians of the Galaxy, Maze Runner, Star Wars, Wonder Woman, and even many more movies such as Pirates of the Caribbean, Star Wars, Iron Man, Ant-Man, Doctor Strange, Hobbit, and Hunger Games, and many of the movies. Almost you will find all of the movies which you want to see. And now I will show you how you can play or download these movies by the links provided in this app. So first of all, click any one of the movies, in this case Thor Ragnarok, and then click the blinking play button on the bottom right corner, and then you will see all the links starting to appear in front of this page. Yeah, right there. So you can see there are a lot of links, and so basically these Google videos are the best one, because they buffer the least, but there are many more options through which you can see and check out which one is the best for you and which one does your device support. So basically I think that the Google videos are the best. So I will select any one of these, pretty much the 1.96 GB one. So when you click on that, you can play or download this video, and for downloading you can go click the download button and you will see that the download has started. And if your internet is fast, it will basically download in half an hour. So now when you go back to options and click on download, you can see that my movie is already downloaded. So it is pretty fast, and basically that's it. That's how you can get your favorite TV shows and your movies free with this app. So guys, I will see you later in my next video, and until then, peace out.